Hello, it's your boy Rahim. In this short video, I would like to share 6 things that can kill your property business, especially if you've already started or you just started your property, you're looking to scale it to the next level. So these 6 sort of things that can kill your property, I really would like you to note it down and ensure you're not doing this, because if you're doing this, it's important for you to start rethinking and find a way how you could resolve these sort of issues to ensure that you don't do them, to allow your business to grow, expand, and take it to the next level. So let's get to it. But before I get going, if you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this amazing tutorials. So basically, the number one thing that would kill your business, right? The number one thing that would kill your business, literally eliminate it, is trying to micromanage it. Right? Don't try to micromanage your property business, because once you start doing that, it will not just take you so much time, it will suck your energy, suck your time, suck everything in you, basically. I used to do these sort of things. I wanted to know whatever I was doing. I used to be the cleaner. I used to manage it. I used to do everything basically. I want to micromanage and know everything was happening in the business. I'm not saying don't look at your business or don't check it, but don't try to micromanage every single thing in it, because obviously it'll be so time consuming. I know at the beginning you may feel a bit insecure because you don't know what's happening with your property. But trust me, you'll be able to let go sometimes, and that allow you to actually spend important time to do things that adds more value to the business. So probably you would concentrate in marketing or doing sales, things like that. So it's important for you to stop micromanaging it. Allow people to use the initiative within the business to allow the business to go to the next level. For example, you've got your mortgage brokers that you're working with or your employees. You want to know the exact way how they did everything so that you can learn from it. I know it's more time for you to learn from it, but some of the stuff you don't really need to know everything because it doesn't add any value to you. Okay. The second thing also that literally kill your business is when you say yes to everything. You're one of those yes man or yes woman. Okay, when someone asks you for anything, you're there serving them all the time. I'm not saying don't serve them. Obviously, serve them all the time, but prioritize what adds value to you and your business, and then find the time to serve the people who needs it the most. Okay, but don't say yes to everything. Right? If you say yes to everything, you don't get the important tasks done, because most of the stuff that people ask you to do are not really things that move the needle to them and your business, right? It's just because they don't want to think a bit more for them to be able to resolve it. So let them actually think on their feet and do things themselves. And also you have to tell the people you work with that they're free to use their initiative, right? You tell them that, because sometimes they're scared to make mistakes, or they are really scared to do the wrong thing. Tell them, listen, it's an open business, right? Make mistakes and learn from it, and then that's how you grow. Again, don't be that person who does everything. When they ask you, yes. No, find important things, help them, train them, so you can concentrate in more important things. And the third thing that kills your business is procrastination. Okay, when you want to make a decision, you have to procrastinate, thinking about what's going to go wrong, how awful this may be, right? If you're an entrepreneur in the first place, you should be thinking about that. Obviously, I'm not saying don't think about the cons, think about the disadvantage, but look at the upside as well. Is the upside going to be double, triple? Things like that. These are the things you need to think about instead of procrastinating. Procrastinating will not get you anywhere. So if you want to do a marketing campaign, for example, don't think about, how much money am I going to lose? What you need to think about, have I done the step that would allow me to get a return from my marketing campaign? Have I employed the right marketing manager that allow me to get a return on my marketing campaign? Have I got the right person to work with that allow me to get me a return from my marketing campaign? Again, that helps you take your business to the next level. So don't procrastinate in it. Whatever action you need to do in your property investment business, crack on, get it done. If you make a mistake, and it's not going to change, it's not going to ruin your business. You're just going to learn from that and move on so you can grow. If you don't make mistakes anyways, you're not growing anyways. You have to make mistakes, learn from them, and grow. So stop procrastinating, take your business to the next level. Again, if this video has been helpful, don't forget to share with friends and family so they can learn from it. And this also helped my YouTube channel algorithm to actually rank higher, so I'll be able to share this video to a lot more people. So hit the like button and share it to friends and family. Okay, the fourth thing that kills your business also is always right man or woman. What do I mean by this? You're always the right person to do the job. right? You're thinking like you are the best person to do whatever job comes into your business. For example, renovating the property, you're the best person to buy to actually buy the materials, or you're the best person to do the painting, or you're the best person to buy the tools or whatever you need in the property. Or if your tenant moves out, you're the best person to go and set it up, clean it, and all that sort of thing. Again, these are the sort of things we need to stop doing, okay? Because instead of doing that, you can concentrate and do something that adds more value to the business instead of doing silly things like that. Again, I was one of those. I'm going to put my hands up into that, but I stopped doing it because I realized that there are people out there that can do these things better than I ever did. Again, if you're one of those, please stop. It doesn't add any value to your business. And again, also, the fifth thing that would kill your business is basically the knowledge that you have. You become a knowledge hoarder. What do I mean? You have your staff, you know all the stuff that they don't know. You try to like keep it to yourself, being worried about if they know everything, they're going to leave you, for example. So again, don't do that, right? Whatever knowledge you do, impact them, teach them, make them learn about the property, let them explore opportunities, teach them and have sessions with them, give them whatever they need to actually get that knowledge. So once they've got that knowledge, they would expand the business and take it to the next level. Well, worst case scenario, if they leave you again, it's not the end of the world. At least you've impacted someone positively who will take that knowledge and actually implement it to help himself and his family. Again, it's a better way to actually grow. Don't hoard the knowledge you have or experience because you don't want them to know everything and then they will end up leaving you. Again, it's a very selfish thing to do. Whatever you know, teach them, implement it with them, let them learn and grow. Trust me, if you are trustworthy, reliable and honest, transparent and very helpful, they won't leave you, right? Even if they've left you and you've literally impacted their life positively, it's a very great bonus to you as well, because they would always admire you, respect you, and also use you as an example of person who took them to the next level. So again, if you're a knowledge holder, stop that now. Share the knowledge, let everybody learn, teach them how to fish so you can all fish, you can work as a team to get your business to the next level. Actually, I'm going to give you bonus here as well. The seventh thing that can tank your property business is, again, wanting to do everything. Okay, you cannot do everything. Okay, you just cannot do everything in your business. Delegate tasks to people. Let them do it themselves. Let them make mistakes. Let them learn from it and move on. Okay, if there are tasks that you don't like doing, look at them. If they don't add value to you or your business, again, either delete or delegate it to someone else who would actually do it. For example, when I started, I used to actually pay my council tax manually. Right, I used to I never set direct debit because I'm not sure if the council is going to take more money than they're supposed to do. I used to pay it in a monthly basis. Okay, again, knowing what I know now, it was a waste of time, absolutely nonsense and rubbish, time consuming, and the council would have never taken more than what they are supposed to take from my account. Again, once I learned about properties, I know what I'm doing now. I set direct debit for all of this sort of things. So again, you could also look into your business, see things that you could automate. If you can automate it. If you can delegate it. If you can eradicate it, streamline your business so that you'll be able to take it to the next level. And again, I really hope this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful to you, share it with friends and family. And also, if you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these amazing videos. I really look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.